So let's get our hands dirty and see how to start your Thinking Time Journal challenge. The nice thing about this 1 month challenge is that it will not take much of your time. It's just 5 or 10 minutes daily. So what's essential is not time, but your commitment to your self-growth. Remind yourself what positive results you can get from establishing a journaling habit. Knowing the answer to this question will help you stick with the challenge. So for me, journaling and thinking daily gives new ideas and perspectives. It helps me to think more clearly and plan my actions and decisions better. It helps me to be an independent thinker. It allows me not just to react to life events, but intentionally create the life I want. So after you know your motivation, let's move to the challenge. What you need to do during the Thinking Time challenge is to answer at least one good question every day. Okay, so first you need to take some time or put a timer on 5 or 10 minutes, pick up your question you want to think about. Then you take your journal and ponder on this question. You write everything that is coming to your mind regarding this question. So as deep as you can. Turn on good music and be in a quiet place so no one will disturb your thinking time. Obvious answers are on the surface of consciousness, and unobvious responses are on the subconscious level. Continue writing after your first answers. There can be your real breakthrough. Okay, now you can ask, where can you get better questions that will lead you to better thinking? You need to create a list of them. You can just sit down and brainstorm questions you want to get answers to. It can be in any area of your life: business, love, work, learning, or money. So you don't need to make a bank of questions in one sitting. You can just keep adding one question here and one question there. Maybe you will be listening to some podcast or reading a book and hearing some questions, or some great question will pop up in your mind during a shower. So the idea is to have a data bank of great questions. Ideally, these questions should be categorized by topic. When you have these questions, you can just pull one of them you need now and inspire your best thinking. To make your life easier, I prepared a list of good questions you can ask yourself in different areas of your life. I hope you enjoyed the video so far, and I am inviting you to download 50 plus smart questions in your journal that you can ask yourself in the end of the week or in the middle of the week. I do it regularly to check my mindset, where I need to go, what I need to do, what I can improve in different aspects of my life. You will have like 5 or 6 categories of questions: relationships, money, productivity, and different others, and you can ask yourself regularly these questions in your journal. Go forward in the description, you will find a link, and you can go and for free download it in PDF format, print it out, and ask these questions regularly yourself and improve your mindset and thinking, and improve your life, productivity, and earning possibility as well. Just reading these questions will not make a big difference in your life, So avoiding answering them is natural, but it's all about one question a day, answering only one. No need to answer 20 of them daily. Give yourself some reward after you finish answering questions. This can help you to establish a habit. So, in 30 days or in 1 month, you will have 30 thinking sessions and 30 questions answered. Imagine these questions you need to respond to achieve your desired success. So take it seriously and don't sabotage your success. So now I give you an example of answering one question in my journal. Pay close attention to how first I write general and apparent answers, and then went deeper and found some great ideas. So here is a question. How can I be more consistent in my daily performance? Here is what I wrote in my journal. First, I am more consistent when I regularly plan my day. Second, when I go into the flow state, I do my best work. Then I wrote when I remind myself what I am doing. Next, when my why is much bigger than what I do. When I just schedule my deep work time and start working. The most challenging part is starting. So if I can begin my work quicker, be more focused and not be distracted, I can do a lot of high quality work. That's it. I wrote just a few sentences, and the last two in particular reminded me of exactly what I need to do daily to stay in peak performance. So don't hesitate and start your thinking time journaling challenge to improve your life. So it's time to wrap up this lesson, and in the next lesson I will give you a set of questions in different categories that you can select from and answer in your journal daily.